Hey y'all, so we're back, and today, as the title says, we're gonna be playing with some new makeup. I don't even like yellow that much. I don't particularly care for it, but got it. I had to get it. This color right here in the middle, which is like by me, even if you're only getting that, which I know they sell it in a single, but I like the whole look of the palette, so I was like, I want the whole thing. So this Buzzkill color, if you're brown, you're probably not really gonna see a difference. Like, I'm putting it in my crease right now and I don't really see a difference with it. It's basically like the same, it's like a light taupey color. It's like the same color as like my lids though right now. So no problem with that. Like, obviously if you're fair skinned, like it's gonna show up like this like taupey brown on you, but for me it just looks like my skin color. I don't mind it personally because I always go in with like a taupey beige or brownish crease anyway, and that's not like what's gonna be like my main crease color, but like just as like a neutral like transition shade, it'll help my colors blend anyway. So I'm gonna put some setting powder down. If you didn't watch my last video, go watch it. Just about like all like the makeup fails I was doing and how I learned to correct them. This is one of them. Helps with fallout. So all right, so we have our yellow built up. I won't say it took like abnormally long, but it took a while to get that yellow to look how I wanted it to, but that's like really not a surprise to me. Like, that's just how all bright colors are on me. Ooh, we're yellow, we're yellow, we're yellow. All right, so I already have a feeling, or not even a feeling, I already know that I want some brown in my crease, just to give this look a little bit of depth. I just don't want this to be like yellow, you know? So I'm gonna go grab a brown shade really quick. Be like super careful. You don't want to get glitter in your eye. Anything that I'm seeing falling on my lashes, I'm just knocking it off. I don't even want the opportunity to present itself. It's all the glitter I want to put down. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Can you tell? New York likes it too. I don't know if I told you guys about this trick that I do with my inner corner. I don't know if it's necessarily a trick. Before I put down anything in my inner corner, I usually just take a little dab of concealer and put it down. All right. So that is it for my eyes. I'm gonna go put my liner on, finish my face, and I'll be back. All right, y'all, so that is it. I'm pleased with this look. I like it. For the palette, like, it gets a 10 out of 10 for me. The color payoff is good. Again, like I said, like, it wasn't the yellows and like everything. Like, I just never expect bright colors to show up super pigmented on me. Like, I always have to build them up, and that's just because I'm brown. The glitter is bomb, bomb, bomb. I love the pressed glitter. I actually think I'm gonna go like get some more of the glitters because it showed up really well. I did use a little bit of like the Huda Neon, like that orange glitter on my inner corner, but I ended up covering it with Sunburst anyway, so that canceled that out. But otherwise, like for the price, like I believe this is $15. Like for the price, this is a bomb palette. So if you're thinking about getting it, just go ahead and get it. This is 9 shades from Colourpop, and this is like $15. And then this is 9 shades from Huda. I won't say you get like drastically more pan size. Like you do get a little bit more with Colourpop than you do with Huda, but I would say the Colourpop payoff is just the same. Yeah, this palette gets a 10 out of 10 from me. I cannot wait to hear what you guys think about it. If you bought any of the Huda palettes or the Colourpop palettes, let me know like what you think of them, which ones are your favorite. I'll link everything I use on my face below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.